Hello everyone, welcome to General Math ICL. I hope you enjoy the pre-ICL and also the lecture itself. I am Seomin Park, as I already introduced in the pre-lecture, pre-ICL, so let's begin. Let's take a look at today's agenda. There are three major parts. The first one is lecture review. We're going to review the lecture that you have just learned, and also the second part, you guys will participate in Math Olympiad. And final one is you guys will complete the evaluation as you did in the previous ICL classes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Do you know who he is? If you participated in the English movie class, well, then you definitely know this guy. This guy, the name is Haymitch in the Hunger Game. Okay, so you might be curious why I'm talking about this guy, Haymitch. I'm going to give you more clue. Then do you know her name? Yes, her name is Katniss Everdeen. Okay, now I will tell you why I mentioned these two people. Well, Haymitch actually contacted me in order to win the Hunger Game in the future. Katniss needs to learn calculus. So he wants to hire KAIST students to tutor Katniss. Okay, then if you are ready to tutor Katniss, let's start our first part before tutoring her. Let's review the lecture. You may already sit in 6 groups, so using your notes, complete 2 parts of the lecture. Make sure everyone in your group understands and can explain the ideas, what you have learned, that you have learned in English. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Let's begin. Okay, now you will sit with your another group members in new groups. You need to explain your part to other students. You need to fill in other parts as you listen to other group members. You may already be familiar with this lecture review in other ICL classes, so let's begin. I'm going to give you 10 minutes, and also if you have any question, feel free to ask each other. Let's begin. Okay, well, actually, Haymitch said that everyone did so well, so he wants to give you another task. Okay, are you ready? We are still sitting in the same group, and in groups, you will be solving one math problem with your group members. Use your notes and the equations to solve the problem. Okay, you need to check your answer, and also once your answer is correct, your TA and then the professor will give you one poster, so you need to write your problem on the poster because other people, they don't know your question, okay? And another paper, you need to use another paper to write your solution, okay? So here I gave you the example. I will give you 10 minutes. Let's begin. Okay, well done. So now here is the second part of Math Olympiad. You need to attach your question poster on the classroom wall. Okay, be careful. In groups, you will be solving other maths problems on the poster, which means you do not, please do not attach the solution yet, okay? Only the question poster, okay? You need to, once you solve the problem, please write your answers on the group handout. The back page, you will see the answer sheet, the blank answer sheet. So please write down each question's solution, okay? I will give you 15 minutes. Okay, so you might solve all the questions. If you haven't completed yet, that's fine. So let's move to the third part of the Math Olympiad. You need to prepare to tell the solution to your group question to the rest of the class. Again, like other ICL classes, you need to, everyone in your group must have a speaking role. Your preparation time will be 5 minutes. Let's begin. Okay, are you ready for your presentation? This is the final part of the Math Olympiad. Each group comes to the front of the classroom and present their solution of the question. Again, everyone must have a speaking role, which means everybody has to speak in English. Okay, so now let's enjoy our presentation time. All presentations were really good. You guys did a very good job. So which group gets all correct answer? Raise your hand. Wow, a lot of you guys got the correct answers, which is really good. So Hamish said, everyone did a great job. I can't decide a tutor now. I will keep watching you in the spring semester. Okay, so because you guys did a so good job, did a great job, he couldn't decide in his mind. So I will see who's gonna be the tutor of Katniss. Okay, so now the final part is evaluation as you did in other ICL classes. Feel free to use the QR code in the video, or you can see the same QR code on the handout. So please share your evaluation. That would be really appreciated and also helpful for the future ICL classes. Thank you very much for your active participation.